Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Princess Peach from Paper Mario. So let's get started. To draw a cute Princess Peach, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with an oval. And then I'm going to come to the top right here and just give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. And then I'm going to come to the top about right here and just draw a curve for a lash. Right there. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Let's say about this wide. And then lash is going to be on this side, just like the other eye. There. So now that I have the two eyes in, let's give her a smile. So right between the eyes, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and cap it off. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of her eye and come out about right here. A little bit wider, so about right here. Give myself 2 points, and I'm just going to basically draw the bottom of a U. So just nice and round around her eyes and her mouth. And I'm going to bring it down to say about right there, underneath her mouth, and connect it. There. Okay, so now that we have this in, let's go ahead and just bring this up a little bit more on both sides. And then we need to draw her hair. So let's find your center, which is about right here, a little bit above the eye. I'm just going to give myself a point. And this is where her hair is going to start. So right about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve going up. And same thing here. Curve going up. There. So now that I have that curve in, I'm going to go ahead and come to the sides right here, about right here, and draw a curve coming down on both sides and hitting that point. So then from there, we can go ahead and come back to the top again. So find your center once again, and we're going to go nice and high. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And we're going to draw the top of her head. So I'm just going to draw a curve coming down on both sides. So it's like drawing a heart almost, right, at the top. Then let's go ahead and come down. And we're going to curve it out. So let's work on this side first, about right here. And I'll bring it in. And then we're going to come out again, a little bit shorter, and then bring it down and back into there. Okay, so then now let's do the same thing on the other side. Just curve down. Right there, same thing, and we're going to bring it in, out, and all the way back. There. So that's the special hairdo that she has. Very distinct. And then let's see, we need to, let's draw the rest of her hair later. Let's come back and draw her crown. So I'm going to go up again one more time. So let's say about right here. Give myself a point right in the center. And I'm going to draw 2 angle lines coming down. So this is going to be her crown. And then we're going to go up once again on both sides. And then bring it down. There. And then in the center, we're going to put in a nice big oval for Jewel. And then 2 of them on the sides, so half. Curve, and then a little line going through the center. A curve right there for some details. Okay, so then now that we have that, just looking at this curve, I'm going to bring it up a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her body first. So I'm going to come to the bottom right here, and we're just basically going to draw this oval. So I'm just going to put out 2 curves first. An oval for her top. About right here. And same thing here. So a little bit narrower than her head. There, just a little oval body. And then we're going to come about right here, and I'll just put in a little curve for some detail. And then in the center, we need to draw this big oval. Lots of practice for drawing ovals today. And then another one in the center. Okay, there. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and come back up. About right here, we need to draw some sleeves. So they're going to be nice and poofy. We're going to come out and bring it in. Say about right here. And let's see. Then we're going to come in and then just put in a curve. And then right here, just put in 2 curves. And same thing on the other side. About right there. So we just want the same thing. So it's going to end about right here. And we're just going to curve. It's a little bit easier for me to see it this way, about right here. And then we can go ahead and connect. There. Okay, and then once again, 2 curves for the sleeves. So now that we have that, we need to draw her hands. So let's work on this one first since it's in the foreground. I'm going to come right here and angle a line coming down. So kind of towards the center. I'm going to stop about right there. And then we're going to thicken up. It's going to come in at an angle, a little bit thinner right there. And then right about here, we're going to cut it off for her glove. And then in this area, we're going to draw her hand. So this is nicely in the center. Then we can go ahead and draw her hand. So we're just going to curve it out. And in. And then so same thing. So then this space, we're just going to put in this angle line right into the hand area. And once again, same thing over here. Right there. And the glove. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, before I forget, we need to come right about here and draw a curve for her waist. And then we can draw her skirt. So let's pop it out about right here. And same thing here. So just round and poofy. Come down. And same thing here. around, and then it kind of straightens out a little bit. And down. So we just kind of want to end at the same level as the other side, about right there. And then we can go ahead and connect it with a soft curve all the way across. There. And then 2 curves, let's say about right here. Just kind of following your curve of the skirt. And then when you're coloring, you can separate it into 2 colors right about here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her the rest of her hair. So before we do that though, we need to come about right in this area, and I'm going to come right next to her cheeks and about right here. I'm going to draw a really big circle right next to it. And that's for her earrings. And so then about right here, I'm going to draw a curve because she has a strand of hair right about there. And then a little curve for her ear. So same thing on the other side, right next to it, about right here. And once again, same thing. If you're using a pencil, you can definitely draw in that strand first and then the circle. Okay, so that's all done. Now we can finish the rest of her hair. So let's come out right about here next to the earrings, and we're going to curve out and in, and then out again. And then about right here, just curve and tuck it in. So same exact thing on the other side. So about right here. And in. There. So hopefully I was able to help you. And let's see. A little detail. What do we need to put? Let's put a heart right. Let's put it right here on the top. On her crown. To make this my Just So Cute Princess Peach from Paper Mario. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.